welcome to Languagese Javanese 101 Part 1. Let's dive in. Our first word is
Halo.
halo. Halo is a friendly greeting in Javanese, used just like hello in English. Write the first word of the sentence in Javanese. Blank, my name is James. The answer is halo, since it means hello. Our next word is
Sugeng, enjang.
Sugeng, enjang. Sugeng, enjang is a warm and polite way to say good morning in Javanese. In which situation can you correctly use the term Sugeng, enjang? So the first option and the third option are incorrect because they're both in the nighttime and Sugeng, enjang means good morning. So this is why the second option works. Our next word is
Matur, nuwun.
Matur, nuwun. Matur, nuwun is how people say thank you in Javanese. It's a polite and warm way to show your appreciation. Now we have a challenge question here, so try to pause the video and figure it out on your own. Okay, so let's start to do this together. Since I was getting late to go to school in the morning, I hastily greeted my parents by saying blank. So which word here relates to morning in the word bank? If you said Sugeng, enjang, you're correct, since it means good morning. Today was Teacher Appreciation Week, so I gave a card to my teacher that said blank. So Matur, nuwun works here since thank you is a way to show your appreciation. I saw my friend who's walking home, so I decided to wave to him and say hello. Hello, so that works. And our last word is
Kulo.
Kulo. Kulo means I or me in polite Javanese. It's a humble way to refer to yourself as when you're speaking respectfully, especially to someone older, of higher status, or someone you're not close to. Now, this is your first sentence in Javanese, so pause the video and try to do this on your own. Okay, so I means kulo, and then thank you is matur, nuwun. So if you got this answer, you're correct. And then next we have some other questions. What does Sugeng, enjang mean? So let's just review. What does thank you mean? If you said matur, nuwun, you're correct. And what does hello mean? If you said halo, you're correct. What does I or myself mean? If you said kulo, you're correct. What about good morning? If you said Sugeng, enjang, you're correct, and that's the answer to the question. Fill in the blanks with the Javanese word. Blank went to the new chocolate store. So if you were to write the sentence in English, it would be I went to the chocolate store. And then kulo means I. So this is the answer. What does Sugeng, enjang, matur, nuwun mean? Okay, so Sugeng, enjang means good morning and matur, nuwun means thank you. So the correct answer is the last option. Blank means to say hello to someone in Javanese. The answer is halo. It sounds really similar to hello, so you can remember it that way. So congratulations, you completed Javanese 101 Part 1. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.